So yesterday I applied for a job as a maid, so of course, we have to start our day off with some fruit salad, because, that's how everyone starts off their day. Who doesn't like fruit salad? I don't have a lot of time, or else I'm gonna be late, so I'm just gonna store the rest in the fridge. Okay, I took a shower, I brushed my teeth, and I ate, so let's go ahead and go over to the person I work for's house. Alright, so I'm at their house, and this is my first day on the job. I'm just making a little snack for dinner, and I'm planning on making corn on the cob, baby food, and hot dogs for now. So of course, as you know it, we gotta do a food montage. After I made dinner, I had to go home because of how late it was getting. After I took a shower, I took one more midnight snack. I was about to go to bed, but then I checked the time and realized I had to go get ready. After I got into uniform, I had to go to work, of course. First thing I had to do is go make lunch for when the kids get back home from their school. So you know what time it is. Montage. So I finished cooking, and now I just had to wait for them to get home. So, I was just messing around cleaning. So, cleaning montage.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking.
Hello, I'm so sorry for the unexpected ending. I got disconnected and I forgot to friend the person, so that'll be all. Goodbye.